Yes, good day. Hi, guys. In case you would have missed it, this is a short video orientation, short video overview of the up-and-coming supply chain and logistics management session. So, a bit about myself. My name is Paul Gulston. I've been part of the Westport University College for the past 4 years. I've been teaching this program for that length of time, and I have been teaching. Well, I have been a lecturer in the field of supply chain management for the past maybe 13 years or so, right? Yes, I think that's a long time. But I was not always a full-time lecturer. I used to teach back then part-time, and I have worked in several sectors in the supply chain field. So aviation, construction, power generation. These are some of the fields I found myself working in, and I've been able to transfer my practitioner knowledge into the classroom. These days, I'm a full-time lecturer with Westport University College. In terms of my credentials, I'm MCIPS qualified. CIPS means the Chartered Institute of Procurement and Supply, which is a UK body, one of the most recognized procurement bodies in the world. I'm also I also hold a MSc from the University of South Wales, and MSc in Procurement, University of South Wales, UK. I'm also the holder of a teaching qualification from Greenwich University. So I'm here to bring to you a blended approach, right? I'm blending practitioner experience with academia. Right, as I said, it's a short overview. So let me just go through a few things. So this is a level 7 program, all right? Level 7 meaning it's a master's level program. And at a master's level program, much is expected of you, right? So you're required to do some research. You're required to critically think, right? You are required to bring your knowledge and share it in the course itself, right? And bring ideas as well, or concepts from other organizations. We encourage you to do that, right? We encourage you to refer to journals, right? Academic journals or journals, and even non-academic sources. Now the program is designed mainly for persons in the field of supply chain management. However, if you choose to change your profession, fine, right? Welcome on board, right? So if you want to change your field of work, you can join this program, and I see that many of you all have been joining, right? Now, delivery is important to us, and in terms of how we deliver by using several tools. So you see videos, you see case studies and PowerPoint presentations and brainstorming, but I can go further than that. We are using the tools that most modern universities and schools are using. So we use Jamboard and Kahoot, we use Slido, and we even use Padlet. We use these platforms to heighten collaboration between the student and the lecturer. We do it for quizzes, right? We do it for the design of various models. It could be a supply chain model, all right? It could be a SWOT analysis. It could be a matrix, all right? It could be Michael Porter's value chain in the context of a particular organization. So that's what we use these tools for, right? So yes, videos, quizzes, case studies, but we use certain tools to send a message across, right? Especially in an online environment, right? Which can become monotonous, but it all depends on how you deliver, right? So our delivery is multifaceted. Right, I'll put it that way. And we take that approach because we recognize that students do learn differently as well, right? We all learn differently. So when we mix our different methods, the student will benefit. All right. In terms of how you will be assessed, there's a presentation component in this assignment, so you will be required to present at the end of the module or at the end of the coursework, right? There will be group discussions that will add value to your assessment, all right? Application to your own organization, case studies, right? Group and individual tasks, right? All of the above will add to your assessment. As a matter of fact, it will add to learning, right? So it will add to the assessment program and the learning program. Now, just to give a quick overview, we'll be looking at several topics. One of them will be Incoterms, right? International commercial terms. That will treat with more of the logistics end of things, right? Or the freight logistics aspect of the program. We'll be looking at risk assessment or risk management, artificial intelligence. And when we look at AI, we'll be exploring predictive analytics. We'll be exploring machine learning, right? We'll be exploring big data. Blockchain technology as well, we will be exploring. So technology is a big part of this program, right? Very influential. And this is the future for the supply chain professional. We recognize that the supply chain professional need to be equipped, need to be aware of the latest technology, at least understand its purpose, understand why it's there, why it's here, right? So it's not about getting you all scared and thinking that, supply chain professionals will be replaced. That's not the thing. We recognize that supply chain professionals will have the tools, better tools to work with. And once we have those tools, our decisions will be accurate, right? And that's how we have to treat with it. But apart from that, we need to be upskilling ourselves, right, to get used to or to be aware of the latest technology which can assist our supply chains, all right? In terms of support, your student support, so you have faculty, you have yours truly, you have course administrators, you have the course leader, who will all support you, all right, in this journey, right? This will be an exciting journey. It's designed in that way to be exciting, and I hope you all will join us on the 24th, all right? Okay, guys, cheers, bye.